Hello friends, this is series 8 in Python and we are going to learn today how to swap or interchange or exchange two numbers, right? So the two variables I have used for storing numbers are A, B and C is actually a temporary variable. For swapping you need this third variable, right? So initially A's value is what? 2, B's value is 4. So if you print before swapping, A's value would be 2 and B's value would be what? 4. Now the swapping logic would be what? You will send this data in C. So you write C is equal to A. A is what? 2. The 2 goes in C. Currently C is having what? 2. Then you say A is equal to B. So 4 comes in A, okay, and 2 goes off. When a new data comes, the previous data goes off. So in A you have what? 4. B is also 4, but I'm going to say B is equal to C. 4 goes off and 2 comes here. So you see, the swapping is done. 4 has come here and 2 has come in B. So the same thing I'm going to write in Python. So let us go to our Python window and let us go to the script mode, right? I'll write here, I'll input two numbers, right? I'll say A is equal to int of input, enter number 1. So the first number comes. Second number I'll say int enter number 2. So after this I'm going to print a message before swapping then A's value would be printed with message A is equal to A, okay, and print B is equal to B, right? Double quotes is not closed here, so I have to close this. Okay, so before swapping whatever value you have in A will be printed and also for B. Now the swapping logic. I said you need a third variable. So third variable I took what? C. C is equal to, I will send A's data in C, then A would be B's value and B would be the third variable's value, that is C. Swapping is done. Then you say what? The same thing, and here you write after swapping, right? So I've entered two numbers, printed the two numbers before swapping what are the values, then swapping takes place, and after swapping what are the values. Let me run the program. Number 1 is asking the values. Okay, I'm not working with 2 and 4 anymore because I have used input command. I'll give here, I can give 2 also, no problem. 2, A is 2 and B is 4. So 2 and 4. Before swapping A was 2, B was 4, and after swapping A is 4 and B is 2. This I have done using what? Input command. You can do the same thing with what? Assignment operator, right? So A is equal to suppose 9 and B is equal to 23. So let us run the program. So 9 and 23, and here it got swapped. So this is how you swap two numbers in any programming language. This is in Python. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching all our upcoming videos. Thank you so much.